Hello there, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to draw a spooky, cute looking Frankenstein? Well, let's get started. And these are the colors that I will be using. Okay, so let's start off with the head, and we're just going to draw a rectangle shape. Okay, and now we're going to draw a diagonal line going up. And then across, and then down. Okay, and let's draw a line coming down from here to here. So it's a little bit on the diagonal side. We're gonna curl it, and then this will be part of the chin, and then back up. Okay, so for the ears, one line across, down, and across, down. Okay. We're going to draw a U shape. Okay, that's part of the eyes. So we're going to shade in the little pupils. Okay. And we're going to draw a line across here. And I'm going to draw a little rectangle. So this is like the stitches, Frankenstein. So little rectangles all the way across. And then just around where the hair is, draw some lines, okay? You can just add a little bit of detail where the ears are. And the nose, so we'll do like a pointy nose, just like that. The mouth, one line across, and then just random lines. So this is like the stitches, okay? All right, so let's draw the neck, 2 lines down. And then for the shoulders, a line across, and then just curve it over, okay? Now the neck, we can draw 2 lines on each side, and it's sort of like, these are like the bolts, the screws for the neck, okay? And so we're gonna bring the line down for the arm. We're gonna draw like little zigzags, so it's sort of like the clothes are torn. Little zigzags, and then back up, and then a line down, down, and across. Okay, so now let's draw pants, and again we'll do like little zigzags. And the same thing, 2 lines down and then little zigzags. Okay. All right, so we could just draw the shoes. 2 lines down for the ankle and then just a line across. And we can just shade it in. Okay, and then 1 line down. Curved line. Here's the heel of the shoe and up. And you can just color it quickly. Okay, the arms. Okay, so we can just have 2 lines down, and then for the hands, we can just do curved lines just like that. And then here's the other part. So curved line. And then one more. go. Okay, and if you want, you could also draw a little pocket and one here. So little lines, random lines, just to show that the clothes are a little torn up. So the story Frankenstein was written by Mary Shelley. She's the author. And it's about a scientist, Dr. Victor Frankenstein. So he creates this creature by putting parts together. Okay, and initially the creature or monster is very smart and gentle, and was initially learning how to read, but because Frankenstein got rejected so many times, that's when Frankenstein changes. Okay, so it's not a real true story, it's fictional, but it's a fun story to read during Halloween, when we like to dress up in different costumes. So Frankenstein can be an interesting costume choice. All right, so I'm just coloring the face green, and you can use whatever colors you like. Okay, and for the hair, if you want, you can color it black as well. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe.